Welcome to Ilham's Playhome.
Which one you want to open first? The big dinosaur. Say hi to family.
Hi.
Hello. Then let's open the box.
Let's open.
Yay! Are you excited?
Let's open the lid.
What?
Let's open.
Yeah. Oh my God! Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Wow. This is remote. We have to. It's inside this remote, and then it can walk. And we have to put here also. Which one? Yeah. Oh wow! Look at this dinosaur.
Oh, it's gonna. Look at this only. This toy.
Now this one. Oh, okay. Don't touch it, okay? It's dirty. Hands are dirty. It will give you bacteria. If you touch the ouchie, and then it will give you bacteria and harm. Oh, look at this! It's so cute. Which one is your favorite one?